Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of your address bar on mobile devices. And our disposable WordPress environment was set up using this service. It's called InstaWP. It has amazing free and pro features which are very affordable. So check out their website. It's instawp.io. Okay, so from your dashboard, go over to Appearance. Simply hover over Appearance, then click Theme Editor. Okay, so this notice basically lets you know that you could break your website if you edit this section. So once you're okay with this, click I understand. Okay, so on the left-hand side under theme files, you need to find the theme header file. It's header.php. Once you find it, click it. Now you need to find the opening and closing head tag. So this is the opening tag. And at the bottom here, we have the closing tag. So this is the opening. This right here is the closing head tag. And you want to paste some code right before the closing head tag. And this code will be in the description, so you can simply copy and paste it into your theme editor. So I'm going to create a new line and paste it right here. Okay, so now we need to edit this hex code. So this default color might not be what you want, but if you already have a brand color, you can go ahead and replace this here, or go to color.adobe.com and select your own color. So let's go ahead and choose a color. Let's make this one some type of green color. I think this is too bright, so I'm going to make it darker. Okay, going to use this one. Copy, go back and paste it right here. You need to ensure that you're using the pound sign as well. Okay, so once you're done, click Update File. Towards the bottom is the button at the bottom. Okay, let's copy the URL at the top. Exclude everything after the domain extension. I'm going to go back to Safari and paste this URL in the address bar. I'm going to reload the page. Okay, so the address bar is now green. And by the way, I'm using Safari because it allows us to tint the address bar according to the theme color. But if you don't have macOS or Safari, you can always go ahead and view these changes live on your mobile device. So I'm going to make this address bar purple now. So I'm going to click Update File, then go back to Safari. Let's reload the page. So now the address bar is purple. And I'm going to show you guys one more method that you can use to change the color of your address bar. And this involves installing a plugin. So I'm going to remove this code. And now you just want to hover over plugins on the left-hand side, then click Add New. And once the page opens, in the search box, type address bar color. Okay, so here we have our results, and I'm going to choose the first one. It's called Color Mobile Browser Address Bar. Click Install now. And once it's done, click Activate. Next, hover over Appearance on the left, then click Mobile Browser Address Bar Color. So here, you can set a color for your address bar. So you can choose a color from the bottom or select a custom color. Once you're done, click Save Changes. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Safari and reload this page. So now the address bar is red. Okay, so I really hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.